Continue earnestly in prayer, being vigilant in it with thanksgiving. And whatever you do in word or deed, do all in the name of the Lord Jesus, giving thanks to God the Father through him. And let the peace of God rule in your hearts, to which also you were called in one body, and be thankful. While you are enriched in everything for all liberality, which causes thanksgiving through us to God. And every creature which is in heaven and on the earth and under the earth and such as are in the sea, and all that are in them, I heard saying, Blessing and honor and glory and power be to him who sits on the throne, and to the Lamb, forever and ever. Let the word of Christ dwell in you richly in all wisdom, teaching and admonishing one another in psalms and hymns and spiritual songs, singing with grace in your hearts to the Lord. But I will sacrifice to you with the voice of thanksgiving, I will pay what I have vowed. Salvation is of the Lord.